of people connecting to your internet data or Wi-Fi for that matter without your consent, worry not. Samsung phone has this feature that allows you to create a temporary password to those who want to use your internet. And after you've disconnected the hotspot, this temporary password will be reset. That means next time they want to use your internet, they will have to ask for your password. This helps prevent people from just misusing your internet bundles, because we buy these bundles to do a lot of tasks. So worry not. Let's dive into the video. Consider subscribing. So swipe a screen and ensure you turn the hotspot on. Turn the mobile hotspot on, because hotspot means you are sharing your internet with other people. So long press on that icon, then it opens settings like this one. It shows your network name, password, band, and all that. So scroll down where it's written one-time password, and then okay, it should be turned on. If it's turned off, you just have to turn it on. So turn that setting on. So when you turn it on, you will find that it comes with a code or a password that is mixture of numbers and letters and some symbols there. So when you turn it on, it will allow you to share this password with those who want to use your internet. This helps protect you from, using your actual password, because most of the time when you give out your actual password, a person will just come visit you in your house, and then they just turn on their Wi-Fi, and then they start using your internet, and then you wonder what has been consuming your MBs that much. All right, but don't worry, Samsung has that also setting that allows you to see the connected devices and the amount of data they are using from your device. So when you use this temporary password, I call it temporary password, it's not permanent, because anytime you open your hotspot, it will reset the password. So that means if you share this password, let's say today, and again tomorrow you have friends coming over and they want to use the internet. So if there was a friend who was in your house yesterday and you shared the password and they try to reconnect it to today, they won't be able to use your internet until you share your temporary password. So this feature, it protects you from people who use your internet without your consent, because we have such people, they just use your internet without your consent. Then you're there, maybe you're uploading a YouTube video, and then you just get a message on advice your MBs are below 2 MB, and you're here uploading a 6 GB YouTube video, and then maybe you don't have money again to buy, so that disrupts your tasks. So using this temporary password, it saves you from those people who just join your internet without your permission. You can just decide to turn hotspot off and then on. They'll try to reconnect, but they won't be able to successfully use your internet. So it's a very good setting to me. When I see you're using my internet so much, I just turn the hotspot off and then on. When you try to reconnect, I just tell you, oops, my data bundles are depleted. And that's how I save my MBs for future tasks. So use this feature, save your internet bundles for future use. Master your phone, subscribe to my channel. I hope this video was fun. See you on the next one. Bye.